Right, all right, all right, all right. All right. Welcome everyone. Hello, good afternoon, good morning, good night. It's my pleasure to be here with you this evening, this afternoon, with you guys. How are you? Let me know if the sound is good. Let me know if the quality of the webinar is good. Let me know that you can hear me correctly. Welcome everyone. It's a real pleasure to be here with you. I'm so glad to have you here, guys. Welcome to Orion Funded TV. Today's webinar is going to be in English. I'm going to have a couple of guests coming shortly, very soon. Of course, we will have some Spanish people in the room. It's okay, don't worry. Why? Because the charts are international. The charts are, how can I say? Everyone can understand a chart, right? A chart is a chart is a chart. So, hoy toca en inglés, muchachos. I'm sorry. Get ready. It's not so hard to get me. I have a strong Spanish accent. It's not so hard to understand. Okay, let's start, guys. Welcome. Today is Thursday, 18th of June, 2026. My name is Carlos Valverde, Charlie, Uncle Charlie, trader, your head trading coach in Orion Funded. Let's start, but before we start the session, I want to say, like always, that trading is risky. So, guys, trade at your own risk. You need to be able to understand the risk, the risks that trading, that you take in trading. Many risks are involved when you trade. It doesn't matter if it's funded accounts, CFDs, futures, whatever, you name it, it's risky. So keep that in mind. If you don't understand or you are not able to accept the risk, don't trade. All the information that is going to be shared here today is just for educational purpose. It's not a recommendation of investment or financial advice. Keep that in mind. All right, welcome everyone. Bienvenidos chicos y chicas. Es un gusto y un placer. Beto, estamos en directo, no sé si hay subtítulos, lo siento. Hi, Uncle Charlie. Hello. Hi. Welcome everyone. Hola, I'm gonna say hello to all my friends, Avengers, Gamer, Abhishek here. We will have some guests coming pretty soon. Give me 1 second. I can see Ayusman and Himanshu. Guys, are you here already? Yes? Yeah. Give me 2 minutes. I will say hello to everyone and you will be on live in a little bit. 2 minutes. Hello. Good morning, Otoniel. Hello, Edun, Federico, Aniket. Hello. Nicole, Fanny Chintu, Silas, the Big Charles, back to action. Hello. J. Belcam, Matt Gier. Is this session will be in English or Spanish? It's going to be in English. I told you. We can see you on 4K. Thank you very much, Maria Lalai. Today, we have 2 guests, very interesting people. Tono, good morning, Carlos. Thank you so much for my new 1K account. It's a little difficult to understand how withdrawals work. Could you explain how to avoid losing $60? Man, all the information, Tono, is on the webpage. Please, just read the information on the webpage. So simple, so easy. Hello, trader. Greetings from Dominican Republic. Good morning. Hello. All right. Okay. Guys, are you ready? Let's get the 2 guests already into the room. I want to introduce you to Ayusman. Hello,
Carlos. How are you?
how are you? Very good indeed. And to
Yeah, I'm
Himanshu.
good.
Himanshu, I don't see you.
Hi Carlos. Hi.
What are you doing?
I'm doing good. How
I
you
like
are?
your glasses. They are pretty
Thank
funny.
you. It has camera in it.
Thank you very much. Guys, welcome to Orion Funded TV. It's my
Thank you so
pleasure
much for having us,
to have
Carlos.
you here. Guys, how do you see the market after yesterday FOMC?
Yes, I was having a bias to sell and it
To
was
sell,
recording.
to sell Nasdaq? We're talking about Nasdaq?
Yes, yes, I'm talking about Nasdaq.
Okay, let me share my screen quickly. Guys, you want to share your screen, Himansu?
Yeah, sure, I can.
You can click
Wait
on
up.
plus. Guys, let us know if the sound is correct. Please let me know. Please.
Okay, is my screen visible?
Give me 1 second. Yeah. Oh, it's so clean. I like it. We can see your screen. Let's
Yeah,
go.
great.
Yes.
Okay, so I trade Nasdaq, that too in 10 seconds. Let me show you the analysis for today, what I am planning now. Okay, so first of all, we had this high taken out. This was the high, right? And after
Oh,
this, I
okay.
was expecting a pullback. Like every time how the market does, how's my trading setup is. Let's suppose this is the structure I have seen, right? So I will try to capture these pullbacks. These pullbacks. This is
Copy.
my main setup. How I trade. Like I focus on the pullback. So I just wait for market to make one more high. Then again I will plan to short here. This is how I trade, and exactly here also this thing has happened. The high taken out, and I was planning to sell, and it happened like that.
Oh, okay.
Now,
This time frame. What is this time frame?
this is 1 hour. I use one
Okay.
hour for my higher time frame bias. Yes. Then after
But on daily, Himansu, on daily, is still an uptrend, no? Or no?
yes, it is uptrend, but what I do is I'm a scalper. I trade in 1 minute, sometimes 10 seconds, 15 seconds also. But
Oh,
just to trade in 10, 15 seconds, I feel there is no need to get the daily buyers. You just need to have the intraday buyers and you are good to go then. This is what,
how do
if you
you
are
get
trading
your
on the 15 minutes, 5 minutes,
yes?
15 minutes, then you should have a daily time frame bias also. That's important.
Oh,
Yeah.
how do you get the intraday bias?
uh, I told you, right? Let's go to the 1 hour chart, 1 hour or 30 minutes. Just find these highs to be taken out. I will tell you my today's bias, what bias I have today. I'm shifting to the five
What
minutes.
bias do you have today?
Yes,
To the
first
upside, to the downside?
obviously to the downside.
To the
Let me.
downside because yesterday action was a bit it was a bit
Yes.
tricky at the beginning. I'm
So
also a bit
first,
bearish to the downside.
okay, so first thing, let's add the sessions. This is not a good one. Session indicator, that's important. Lux Algo, I use this. Okay. So
All
now
right.
we're having all the sessions, but what I can say is yesterday what we had is these highs and lows are still protected, right? You see
Yeah,
it?
they are let's say not unbreakable, not unbreakable, but they are fresh. Let's say I
Yes.
call them
It's the
fresh.
fresh. It's like if people are getting short in the market here, they will try to where they will try to put their stop losses above this
Above the
and
last high. Yeah.
this high, and last they can say, oh, this is the best high. Let's place some stop
Yeah,
loss
the
here.
previous high. Yeah.
So just we will do opposite of all the retailers who are trading right now. So now what I will be waiting is the 7 p.m. IST in Indian times. The New York will be opening, right? So what I will do
Yes,
is I
yes.
will wait for the market to go up, take out this high,
And then,
then I will shift it to the
if the
smaller
price
time.
is unable to stay above, sell.
No, no, no. Now I will be looking what I will be telling you. I will go to the smaller time frames and then I will be looking for some FVG imbalance, bullish FVG, like this. Right? The price is going up and it has created some bullish FVG like this. Okay.
Fair
This
value
is
gap.
yes, bullish fair value gap. Then what I want is I want one strong candle like this to be closing below that bullish FVG.
Okay.
Okay, like this. Then I will plan to short here. That's it.
Okay. What risk reward do you use?
1 is to 1.5 is more than enough for you to make at least 10K a month. You
10K
can make
profit if you have a big account, of course.
in a month. In a month, 10K. If you just
Okay.
yes, not in one day. Like you cannot become rich in one day. So this is the model I'm using. So this is my plan for today. But let's suppose if it doesn't happen, I have another plan ready. You should always have a plan B, right? The
Plan
backup
B,
plan.
plan C, plan D.
Yes. But if everyone is not working, every plan is not working, it's not your day then. Just leave the markets
Just
and
turn
go
off the
about and have
computer
fun.
and
Yes. So next, if this doesn't happen, then I have two plans to go alongside. One, I'm looking for this low, right? Because also we have this support area here, right? We
okay.
have this support area. So what I will be looking here, let the market come down. If the market is coming down, and it breaks this low, now I am expecting a pullback. This was the aggressive momentum. Now a
Okay.
pullback. So I will just try to capture this pullback. I not need 1 is to 50 hour, like I'm catching the bottom and catching the top. It's not really that much important to me. The point is, if you know 1 is to 1.5 with the 70% accuracy, I will also say who will stop you to make 10K a month.
Mm-hmm.
This is my another plan, and let's suppose if this also has not happened, then I will be waiting for this last. This will be the A plus setup. If the market gives a fall, I will plan my buy side here like this. I will plan to buy the market here. The main key.
Mm-hmm.
Yesterday also same thing has happened. Yesterday I made $4,000 profit. Yesterday only here. This was the low taken out, right? Can you see here? This low.
Yeah.
See, this was the opening, and opening was taken out. Now I will take you to this level. Let's shift it to 1 minute.
You are doing market replay.
Yes, replay, so that I can give you a better image.
I just man get ready because I want to know your point of view, right?
Definitely, definitely.
Okay.
Yes. So here,
I'm also
now
sorry
I
to
will.
interrupt. Guys, if you have any questions, any idea, any suggestions in the chat, please leave your comment in the chat, okay? We will answer. Holy moly! Rahul, hello. We will
I
answer
also
to your
need that
questions.
bell, Carlos. I
Sorry?
need that bell. I need that bell. You are putting
Ah,
right.
you want the bell, eh? This bell is
I
registered
this
to
reminding.
my...
This
Yeah?
is making me nostalgic. When I was a child, our cycle has this bell.
This bell is really with me for so many years, more than 10 years. The same bell. She has seen so many battles, so many losses and wins. Man, I am so fond of this bell. But please keep going.
Great, great. So yes, this was now. Let's see what Ayushman has to say about the markets.
Bro, I'm already done for the day. I've already traded on London session. So I
Okay.
have made around 7% of profit today. In my
7%?
yeah, in my funded account. Like I've been trading in a 100K account. So
Right?
I made around $7,000 on London session.
Wow.
I usually avoid trade in like to trade in a New York session
You
because there
prefer
is a lot
London?
of yeah. I
It's
prefer
more
London much
quiet.
more. Yeah, it's more quiet because in New York session there is so much volatility in gold,
News.
so we cannot even predict correctly. Still, I had some plans. If the prices come at that,
You can share the screen. You can share the screen,
yeah.
Ajusman. I
Let me
don't see it
just.
if you want to share with us.
Okay, can
Because the
you?
one picture is better. It tells you more than 1,000 words.
Okay, can you see?
Of
Can you see?
course.
Okay, can you see the screen?
Not yet. Click on present or invite.
Okay, just a minute, yeah.
Now.
Okay,
Yeah, we can see now.
okay. So today I took this trade, and
Okay,
my
first you need to say, guys, this is gold, 5 minute chart, because if not, I don't know what it is.
yeah. So this is a gold on a 5 minute chart. I usually take a long trades on gold because I don't do scalping at all because market is so unpredictable nowadays. So today I took this trade in which I have gained around 7% of my initial capital. So I'm still looking like already I'm done for the day. Still I'm looking if I have to trade in New York session, then I'll just look only for a short entries because I don't think so the market will go upside for now because there is a lot of liquidity still pending here as you can
Yeah.
see. So in the middle, if you think the price is going to go up, So I don't think so it's going to happen. It might get reversed at this point of area because I strongly believe the institutions, like I believe I trade on an institutional mindset. I don't trade on a retailer mindset. So if I, for an example, if I am a institution, so I would like to take a short entry from here and I will just take my reward, risk to reward like this. So that's, I'm going to plan my short entry from 4270 at a 5 minutes time frame. And this is a very good area, rejection area, which gold might can come down. So that's all I'm looking for now. And if the price didn't tap here, if it continues go down, then I'll just look for a buy from here because there is a lot of pending orders here. Because you can see here, the
Yes.
price, the gold has gone up so drastically. So I can I can assume the
The
gold
previous
might go
low.
up still again. Yeah.
Yeah. Last low.
So yeah, so if gold would come here, then I'll just take a long entry from here, just
All right.
small as with the small SL.
I like that level. I like that level.
Yeah,
4,220.
actually, I was planning to short it from here, but the price didn't come at my price, like at my level. So I missed this entry. I missed this downfall. So people are still looking to buy because there is a trend line breakout. Actually, as you can see from the whole day, the gold was crashing. Still, it's crashing. So yeah, like the people will think the gold might go up, but it's not like that. Institutions are so much smarter than retailers. They will
Yeah.
sell off, and they will trap us. So I don't
Not
think so.
only
Like,
smart, they have a lot of money also.
yeah, exactly. So I have a two action plans here. If the price go down, then I'll just look for a buy from here. And if the price goes up, just take all the liquidity from here. Like there are a lot of liquidity pending from here. So it, it will eliminate all the sellers and it will come again down. And will, yeah,
Okay.
I'll plan a
Nice.
sale. Yeah.
Do you only trade gold?
I trade gold mostly, but I'm also looking like I also trade on crypto as well, especially Bitcoin.
Bitcoin.
Yeah,
Himanshu, what do you
Yeah.
think about this gold trade? You like it?
Uh, First, I will see the charts myself, like what my plan is in gold
I
because
like it. I actually, with this gold, I thinking very, very, very similar. Very, very similar. Yeah, I want to
exactly.
sort it.
first I want to know, do we have any Hindi audience इधर है क्या कोई भाई लोग अपने हिंदी
Yeah,
के
you can speak in Indian if a little bit if you want. You can see the chat. Some people
Uh-huh.
are speaking in Indian.
इंडियन इंडियन लोग है क्या भाई इधर कोई
But Carlos, you won't understand Hindi, right?
I don't
will
So,
teach
understand
like,
anything.
Ayushman will teach Carlos Hindi.
Teach me.
for sure. Okay. You can just try to say Namaste India,
Namaste, Namaskar.
Oh,
Namaskar India. आप सबका
Namaskar, I
स्वागत
know.
है.
Guys, I have done yoga 2, 3 years, okay? Relax.
That's
And I
great.
love butter chicken and chicken samosa. Mwah.
You come to India
Chicken
again.
samosa, man.
We'll teach you.
Chicken samosa. I love chicken samosa, man. It's so good, man. Chicken samosa. Oh, qué bueno, qué muy
the
bueno.
actual samosa is aloo samosa, bro, not chicken.
Yeah, aloo
Chicken
samosa.
samosa,
Yes.
brother. Chicken samosa with butter chicken. Mwah. Okay, keep going, please. Keep going, keep going.
That's great. That's great. Yeah, that's what I'm looking for actually. Like there is also a level as well here as well, but I'll like to put my stop loss above there because I have to save my stop loss as well, and I have to give some space to my stop loss. So that's what I'm looking for right now, and that's what I'm thinking.
Do that.
Yeah.
Hello, Himanshu. How are you?
Hi, Philip. How are you? I'm good.
I don't hear you.
Sorry, Ayusman. Sorry, one sec.
Where is
Yes.
the Indian community? You have.
What?
Did you invite your friends? He's asking for your friends.
Yes,
Where
I
are
have
Indians?
message in the Discord itself. Ayushman,
I
I'm
don't
telling
see.
Yes.
50
Sri
people
Lanka.
here. No, Indians must be 1,000.
So actually, this time the
Sorry.
all people are on the charts.
Thank you. Dice que están todos operando. Sorry, Ajusman, can you come back, please? Sorry, I'm really sorry.
Yeah, that's no. I guess that's enough. Like I'm just
Keep
looking
going,
for a
keep
short
going. I
entry
want to
right now.
know. I want to know more because gold is very interesting.
So, okay, let me just tell you the retailer mindset. Like what most of the people are looking currently, they they are looking this breakout right now. They like the most of the people are thinking that gold might go up, but I don't think so. But because there is a lot of rejection from here and here as well, like 4,285 and 4,270, there is a lot of rejection. So buyers can get trapped by it because overall you can say USD volume is very low and the sellers like the gold volume is very high. Sellers are very aggressive. Uh, so this candle can be a manipulated candle. So I don't think it would be a good idea to take a long entry for now. So I will just wait for my entry. I will just wait for my short entry. If it come in for into my level, then I'll just took a short from here. But still, like I don't have to trade for now, but still I can analyze it. And as you can see, like can you see this screen? Can you see my screen?
Yeah.
Yeah, my phone screen. Like I
Ah,
have
your
made
phone. Wait, give me one
around.
second. Show me,
Yeah,
show
yeah.
me. This is the trade. You told,
This is a
oh,
trade.
7,000, man. Oh my God, you made more money than me today. What
No,
the
no, it's
hell?
a
What
well,
is going
bro,
on?
bro, bro, bro. It's a
Bro,
well, it's a well phase right now.
oh my God.
Yeah,
It's
it's
not,
not a
it's ready
funded, but
for withdrawal or no? Is a payout not yet?
no, 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 no. It's in a phase, like it's in a phase, like
Man,
it's an
you made
evolution
more money
phase.
than me. What the hell?
Very soon, very soon.
Good, good,
So
good,
I
good.
got,
No, I'm
yeah,
happy,
I
man.
caught this trade. Like I'm happy. I'm happy for today, and I
Of
don't need
course,
to, trade today.
it's good to stop
Still,
to have a target for the day, not only stop loss target or losing, or how much loss will you stop, also the how much amount of profit you will be happy. You know, like 7,000 profit
uh,
is a 100K account, it's a 7%, it's good, no?
yeah,
7%
but
in
I don't
one
think so. The
trade.
7% one trade, yeah, but that was a very risky trade. I took
Of
a
course.
risk. I don't usually take this much risk because it was a evolution phase, so I had to take that risk. If it if this has a funded account, like I had a funded account, then I don't have like I wouldn't have take this much risk at all.
Okay.
So I would have go for only 1% of risk. That's it, not more than that, and I would have closed my day.
Nice, 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 nice.
So yeah.
Good, good, good. Now you don't touch anything, you just wait for it. That's it. Tomorrow, you are funded now? You pass the evaluation with that trade, no?
No, no, it's a phase one. Like I'm currently in a phase one, so I
Uh-huh.
need to I need to make 2% more to clear one like first phase. Then I have to clear 5%. Like I need a 5% to clear my phase two. Then after I'll get funded. Then I'll just go slow. I'll just take 1% of profit. I wait for the payout date, and I'll just take a payout, and then I'll continue again. So I don't go too
Nice.
much aggressive.
Nice, 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 nice. The
That's
people are
that's
telling me,
how,
see,
yeah, actually
go, go.
that's how we can take a consistent payout. Like if you go aggressive on
Consistency
a
is key.
funded stage, yeah, yeah. If you go aggressive on a funded stage, then you would have already breached your account for sure.
You are you lower your risk when you are funded.
Yeah, I lower my risk. Like I usually take 0.5% to 1%. It depends on the trade. Depends on the situation of the market. Like if I'm so much confident in my setup, then I would have take like I'll take 1% of the risk of my funded account, and I'll just take initially like 1:1. I'll just target 1:1 or 1:2, and I'll just get out of the market, and I'll just wait for the payout date. So that's how I do.
Very good, very good. I love it. I love it. Okay, okay. Market is gonna open in a little bit, in just half a minute. It's gonna start the Wall Street session. It's gonna be 9:30 in the morning in New York. Wall Street is gonna open, the opening bell. Let's see what Himanshu is gonna do. I want to see his trades. He's gonna be scalping. I want to see his position. Let's see. You wanna trade Himanshu or your screen? No, no.
Yes, I'm planning to sell only, but the high has taken before 7 p.m. That is the problem.
You want to wait a little bit, right?
Yes, I will be waiting for some confirmations to short.
Market open, Wall Street is opening. You can see my screen right now. This is Nasdaq 15-minute chart. I'm gonna go down to 5-minute chart. This is CFDs, not futures. Keep that in mind. Market is opening. For me, it's very simple. I just put this number 300. 30,000 level for me is a support and resistance, very important psychological level, 30K. This was yesterday the news of the FOMC, interest rates of the dollar, and the first Kevin Ward's press release, conference release. So now let's see what happens. I would like to maybe short, but not here. More around the 30,500, 540. 30K 540. Now it's taking yesterday high, previous daily high, or one day high, it's also called one day high. It's taking that, but it's going down again. It's the moment of the opening now, right now. So be very careful with your trades. Volatility is expected to hit the market at the opening bell. I have no trade open. I have here my Orion account. We said Orion in Spanish. I know you said Orion in English. I have a 100K account. I'm already funded. I'm up 1%. Yes. And I'm waiting for it for... This is a funded account. And I can teach you some tricks, guys. I cannot teach you how to do chicken samosa, but I can teach you some trading skills. I love chicken samosa, guys.
Yeah, I'm waiting for a signal, bro. Just give me the trade. Yeah.
No, guys, this is not copy trading. You need to be responsible for your own trades, because I do also a lot of stop loss as well. But I like this thing you said, for example, on gold. You see, this is gold for me. It's 1 hour chart is very similar to what you said. I'm expecting maybe to have some kind of reaction here. So we'll see. But right now, I want to wait. I took a nice short this morning on the pound dollar also. I love Forex. I trade on most of the market. I use a lot of Fibonacci retracement, and here I have a signal this morning. It was so simple, so ABC. Yesterday, this is how I trade usually, how I like to trade. I see some momentum to the downside, some speed, some volatility with the news, and then I just take a discount. That's it, man. No more. That's it. There is nothing more, you know. That's it. As easy as simple. It's not easy, it's simple. Of course, nothing is easy, but it's pretty simple in my approach in the market. Okay, so let's go back to Nasdaq. Let's see what happens. All right.
What's your favorite pair, Carlos?
Sorry?
What's your favorite pair? Where you trade mostly?
Good question. Very good question. My favorite pair. It's like asking me what is my favorite woman.
So you mean that your favorite pair is almost 5 to 10 pairs?
Yes, exactly. No disrespect for women, okay, and for men, it doesn't matter. But it's a joke. I always explain this. My favorite, if you go to a party, right? You go to a party on the night, and you wanna dance with a girl. Which girl are you gonna choose? The most beautiful girl, right?
Yeah.
No?
Yes.
This is
Definitely.
the same with me for in trading. I'm gonna choose the most beautiful chart, clean, volatile trending, clear, something that is, mwah. If I go to Euro Pound or something like this, look at this, I'm not gonna trade this, man. This is not pretty. It's not good looking. I don't want to dance with this. I want to dance with a beautiful chart, you know. This is how I do it. This is my approach. So I'm not joking. I'm being very honest with you guys. I don't marry any instrument. I'm very versatile.
I love your honesty, Carlos.
I'm very honest. This is the trade I took
Yeah.
this morning on pound dollar. I just made this screenshot. Pound dollar, 15 minutes, 2 lots, 330. I closed 3-2. It was like 50 pips something. This is my trade on the morning. I'm just showing you here. So this is one of my accounts. So yeah, I'm really, really honest, really, really transparent. I want to dance with the most beautiful chart. No disrespect to nobody. Don't take it personal, okay? Hola Harlen, hola a todos los que habláis español. Lo siento mucho si no estáis entendiendo nada. Today it's English speaking webinar. I'm really sorry if you are looking for Spanish. It's gonna be tomorrow in Spanish, today in English. We will be alternating one day English, one day Spanish, one day English. Okay. What else? Give me signal, bro. Give me signal. What should I do? Ayusman, what should I do?
I guess gold might come down from here, but we just need to wait for a candle confirmation. I think so. So
You know what happens to me? I become risk aversion. I have like not fear, but I become risk averse because this morning I'm in profit. So it's like I'm already in profit. So it's like I have a bit of fear of
see,
losing the money, you know. You know what I mean, right?
yeah.
Ooh,
There
look
are
at that,
two
man.
se-
Look at that.
there are two selling points from here actually. Like if we get a good confirmation from here, so we can take a short entry from here. Otherwise, we can just wait for price to come 4,282. So that would be a safest short entry. But n- never knows like what's going
Nobody knows.
gold
It's
is going to
impossible
do.
to know.
Yeah, exactly. So we can just
That's why you
wait
need to
for a
control the
good
risk.
candle confirmation. Yeah. So this could be a low quality setup, but I would love to take an entry from here once I get a good candle closing on the downside. So I'll just take a 0.5% of risk in my funded account and see how it goes. So
What do you think, guys, now the Nasdaq? Let's check it out quickly. I want to say, look at this, man. Ooh. I think Himanshu is making money.
Hello. So just now I have exited the position in.
It's done, no?
Yes, Nasdaq. Let me share you my
So this
screen.
is exactly what you wanted, no?
Yes, exactly as per the
Exactly,
plan.
eh?
This
You
was
are
the
so
trend.
professional, so pro, man.
And
Look
I
at that.
just made. Let me show you like
$10,000.
not it. No.
You are
smooth.
so pro, man. I mean, I'm gonna leave you to the session. Goodbye. See you tomorrow, guys.
I was just doing this thing, copy trading to
Let me
five.
translate quickly. Chicos, mirar el corto que ha metido Himanshu en short, en ventas, sales. Que él quería además justo vender, lo ha dicho, scalping to the downside, ventas en el Nasdaq. Go ahead.
I just shared the exact same setup at the starting of the stream, right? And here we took around 1300 something. And this is into 5 accounts. I was copy trading 5 accounts together.
What?
1300 into 5.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Are those the same accounts, the same amount? Same balance or different balance?
Same quantities, everything is same.
Okay.
And I will share you one more reason of this short. We also had a SMT. If you open this MES, wait a minute. By default. Right. So if you open this pair, we have these are the correlated pair, right? So I will show you the 5 minutes first in both 5 minutes. Okay. So this is the MNQ. This is the MNQ, and this is the MES. So here, what I was saying is, can you see this high? Wednesday, 17th June. Am I audible?
Yes, yes.
So this is
This
the
is what I
17th,
call one day high.
yeah, 17th June high. And here, if you see that 17th June, it is at this level, right? Can
Yeah.
you see this 17th June high at this
Yes,
area?
yes. Hmm.
And this is the 17th June high here. What the difference we can observe here? The point is the MNQ has taken that high, but MES is very bearish. It is trading at the lower.
The S&P 500, no?
Yes, this is the S&P 500 and this is Nasdaq 100 MNQ. So my plan was very simple to short the MNQ because this was a very good liquidity level and also this was very bearish. So this was the SMT. If anyone knows the SMC concept, they can relate to it. And here, if I go to the 1 minute time frame, I had this bullish FVG. I told you right that while breaking this, we need a bullish FVG. Where
But it didn't happen, or it's very small, no?
this is
Oh,
the
no.
FVG. This is
But
the
it's a
bullish.
bit small. But okay.
It is not
It can
small.
be.
So very big.
No?
Then I want a big red candle to get close below the FVG. Stop loss just
I
above
mean,
the
it's a
high.
1 minute chart, okay? For me, it's small. I know for you, no, because you are scalping. For me,
Yeah.
1 minute, I mean,
This
So
is
so
much
the
risky.
this is the average size Carlos. The point is this is small. This one is
yeah,
small.
yeah. If you compare with the other candles, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
And also we can have a continuation towards the downside.
Mm-hmm.
Have one more FVG here. Where is the tool? If it goes up like this, if it taps, we can have a continuation setup to this also.
Okay.
But I'm just done for the day. 1300
Done.
into 5
One
pounds,
trade, that's it.
one trade. Every day I come and I will show you the results of this strategy. Wait.
Please. I will be so happy to see that.
Yes, the results are very fascinating.
Yeah. I want to know more about your strategy. Also, I like adjustment strategy. It was nice.
Yes.
The gold
But I
price.
don't trade. But I don't trade on a 1 minute time frame because I'm
For
not
me,
a
it's too much
scalper.
aggressive, but too much.
I trade in sometimes 10 seconds also, Carlos.
10 seconds.
I'm 10 second scalper.
You know, it's so funny. I have seen lately that the trading community is becoming like a fight to see who is trading on the shortest time frame possible.
Yes,
Yeah?
yes.
Do you want to know what is my shortest time I have trading in my life?
What's
Yes,
that?
sir.
1 second.
1 second chart. It's a
Second, you
fight.
like-
You see 10 seconds, I tell you 1 second chart. Eh?
What did you see in one second time frame?
Good question. Very good
What
question.
what exactly did you see on one
It
second?
was a strategy. Himanshu, let me show your screen quickly. Now, yeah. Oh, it was a news strategy on 1 second, not prop account, not funding account. You just wait for some news. You check in the 1 second chart to see a gap or fair value gap or whatever you call, and then you try to go in that direction. But it's something very risky, very risky. Himanshu, what I can see? Oh my God!
Of 60% and 85% I made, and this all strategy was in 10 seconds time frame. For 15 minutes
Really?
and 10 seconds. So if you look the months also, in February I made some mistakes, but in March was
Yeah.
we had only 3 stop losses. In February I was making a mistake that the time was in New York, it was 8 p.m. according to India, but it should be 7 p.m.
Yeah,
So
because of the
because of
summertime
that,
or the winter time, they change the time once per year, 2 times per year. Actually, you need to change.
because of that, the February hole got messed up. But this is
No
the actual.
problem. Everyone makes, it can happen to anyone. That is
Yes.
completely
Exactly.
normal. Don't worry.
So still, it is profitable with the 60% and 1:2 I make. That's it.
That's also funded accounts, right? Also all prop.
I just requested a payout today. Can you see here? It's payout
Okay,
approved.
let me check. I don't see. All right, payout. Good.
$2,000.
Carlos,
And
gold
Yes,
is falling.
gold is falling. Yeah, I was checking out. I see, but it's not very fast. It's a bit slow.
Yeah, it's slow,
no,
To
but
go short, but I'm
no,
checking
no.
the indexes and I'm looking also maybe to sort Nasdaq or S&P 500. But now I don't want to sort it because I don't want to chase the price. It's not good for me to chase the price now. Right, give me 1 sec. I add this to a stage. You see, this is Nasdaq 5 minute. For me, 1 minute. Sometimes I use 1 minute just for details, for a small detail, for some stop, for example, like put some stop here or something, or for some execution. But usually 1 minute for me is too much. Too much. I'm doing many things. I'm in the office, working with the colleagues, with the traders. Maybe I have a call, maybe I have something to take my attention, and I cannot be trading 1 minute usually. It's too much for me, too much stress. I have done things, like I said in the past, crazy things, but 1 minute only for me for small details. If I want to have like very small stop loss or something like that, I can do that. But right now I like the momentum to the downside here, the speed, the volatility is to the downside, but I'm seeing that the S&P 500 is weaker than the Nasdaq. So if I want to choose one index, I always sell weakness by strength. So I always look for the weakest of all of the indexes of the groups. For example, I'm gonna recommend you guys this webpage. If you don't know about it, I'm gonna share it on the chat. By the way, guys, Orion Funded is gonna today. I'm gonna give away some accounts today. Be in the chat. I will share with you a link. You will register, and I will raffle them live, and you can see who win. And I will send you the account later or tomorrow. Okay. Do you know this webpage, finbith.com? Have you heard about it?
no.
No. If you
I'm
come
saying
here,
first time.
eh?
Yeah.
This is a heat map, right? Of
See, similar to Heatmap. You go to futures, performance, and I can see, like I said, when I go to a party, I want to dance with the most beautiful lady possible. So,
same here, bro.
same here, right? No disrespect to any ladies, it's just a joke. So this is the same. I wanna buy the ones that are at the top, the strongest ones, and I wanna sell the ones that are on the lower part. For example, silver, it fell down today 4.6%. So why I'm gonna sell gold? Let's go back to gold. It's falling now down. It's a good signal. But if I go to silver, maybe silver is better because there is more weakness in silver. Okay, so guys, I have 16 years of experience. Don't do this, okay, if you don't have a lot of experience, because this is you need to be a bit crazy to be doing this. But it's the way I am, trading is how you are, and so try to make the business to adapt to your personality, to how you are. And for me, it's something that I like to do. So, but it doesn't mean that I'm gonna trade all these instruments. But for me, it's good to have a broader view, a glance of what is strong, what is weak. So, for example, if I go to indexes in USA, you can see Dow Jones is the weakest one. They are all in green today, but the Dow Jones only moved up 0.53% to the upside. S&P 500, it only moved up 0.72%. And Nasdaq, it's the one who is the strongest. So out of these three, if I want to sell, I will prefer the Dow Jones or the S&P 500, okay? Because those are the weakest ones. So that's why I'm looking to sell maybe.
Carlos, sorry to disturb. I'm getting an important call. I have to leave. You guys can carry on.
No problem. Donald Trump is calling you. I know, man. I know. You are a very important person.
Yes,
VIP.
coming. Okay.
Himanshu, thanks very much for being here with me
Bye
today.
bye.
I
Take
see you
care.
next week.
Orion,
Good
bye.
trading. Bye bye.
Bye, Manshu. Manshu, bye.
Ayusman, now it's
Yes,
you and
bro.
me.
What do you mean by that?
You and me alone.
No, 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 no. I'm happy being alone, bro.
Yeah, me too. Can you share your screen? Tell me
Yeah,
what are you looking for?
yeah, yeah. You can.
I need to
Can
go
you?
for to get some water. Can I leave you alone here for two
Sure,
minutes?
sure. Can you see my screen?
Yes. I leave
Okay,
you
okay.
2 minutes. 2 minutes. I'm back in 2 minutes.
For sure, for sure.
Be right back.
Yeah, yeah. So, guys, you can see uh, I planned the short from here actually. The price is trying to go down, and I think it's going to go more down as well till here. You can say 4224. So yeah, I placed my entry with a little risk. So let's see. However, I don't have to took a trade today because I've already done in my like in London session. Let's see. Still, it can go up if we see like this. No, no, I don't think so. I don't think so. It will go up. Like there is no possibilities to go high. You can see in a 15 minutes time frame there is a good rejection over here. So price might continue to go down and hit our target here. So let's check our risk to reward. Okay, it's a 1 is to 2. 1 is to 2.7 risk to reward. We can, that would be the, yeah, that would be the safest target. If the price comes down, it might come till here and it could show some rejection from here. Let's see, let's see. Yeah, I'll just, if I had to hold this trade till my target, then I would do a break even when the price comes at 4,241 like till here. And my trade would, yeah, my trade will get risk free after this. Hmm. Let's see if we can. Let's. Yeah, there is a lot of liquidity still pending here, so price has to come down. It already took the liquidity,
Okay.
the seller's liquidity here.
Good job. Good job. You use ICT, Smart Money Concepts?
No, no, I actually trade on a very simple concept, like on a liquidity basis. And second thing is institutional mindset, like how institutions think actually.
How they
Like
think?
they try to take the stop loss of the retailers traders, like the retailers. Like you can see, like if you see this trend line.
Yeah?
So millions of people are also seeing this trend line. Okay.
Okay.
So if the price come till here, so most of the people will think the price will take a support from here and it will go up, and that's what institutions are looking for. They wants to trap the retailers. So what they will do, they'll just dump the price more and take the stop loss of the buyers. So I just I just try to think like them.
Okay.
Yeah.
Interesting,
So
interesting. Very interesting concept. I like
uh,
that.
the price is struggling here because, as you can see, there is a trend line. Like the retail traders are trying to buy from here because they can see the trend line over like here. But I don't think so. This trend line will sustain. This might can break very soon. If this trend line breaks, then it will fall easily. So let's see. Let's
Do
hope
you
for the
check out
best.
the Do you check out like the news? You follow the news or this kind of? By the way, guys, I wanna show you something. The I wanna give you something quickly, guys. The giveaway. I'm gonna be doing a raffle today with the people who are here in the chat, seeing the live webinar. Guys, only one registration per person. If you register 2 times, you will be automatically disqualified. Okay? No need to register 2 times. You will be disqualified automatically, as I said. So, only one register per person. Okay? Please. I'm gonna share the registration form in the chat. Give me 1 second. I have it here and I'm sharing from my account to your chat. Let's go. 1 second. Sorry to interrupt you, my friend. Copy text here. All right. Guys, one register per person. You just need to write down your name, your email, and at the end of this webinar, like in 45 minutes, more or less, when we are getting close to the end of the webinar, I will open a wheel of luck with all your names. I will click, and the ones who get selected, we will send you an account for free, 5K, 2 phases. I'm gonna give away 5 accounts for free. All right. Sorry to interrupt you, Ajusman. I'm really sorry. You can continue.
It's all right. Like we can see a breakdown from here. Like if the prices close below this trend line, then price might come down like very aggressively. So yeah, like the trade is going in our favor, and it's good. See, see, if you can see, the institutions have confused all the retailers by giving this doji bullish candle. So by this doji bullish candles, if you think like retailers will think the price might go upside. So what they will do, they'll put their stop loss here. It looks so messy. I'm so sorry, but as you can, like,
Like doing traps, like trapping people.
yeah, yeah.
I
By
call
trapping
them
people,
bear trap, bullish trap, or some, it's the same thing with a different name.
exactly.
Fails
So
breakout, a swing failure pattern,
what?
a spring, upthrust. This is how it's called in Wyckoff theory.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know a little bit about it. Have you studied
So
Wyckoff, Ajusman?
no, no, bro.
No? Okay.
What is?
Okay. Wyckoff is one approach of reading the market with price action. Very old, but it's the same like we are using today. It's like Wyckoff is
Ex- See,
very
Carlos,
interesting.
what I think, like the things, the market in the market, like SMC, ISAT, price action, everything. What I think, these all are the same things.
Yeah, of course, different
This is
names for
what
the
I
same.
believe actually, but they have a different names. So I just look at the market in a very practical way. I don't I
I
don't
like that.
usually follow smart money concept, institution mindset, this and that. No,
I like that.
yeah.
Keep it simple.
So you can see like this is a trend line which the whole world was seeing this trend line, and you can see the institutions have made bullish doji candle so that retailers might get trapped by it, that the buyers get trapped by it. So if I would be a retailer trader, then I would have already entered in this trade by looking at the doji candle. This is the
Doji.
RETA. This is the retail traders.
It's the same, no, guys. It's the same link. It's the same link, guys. If I see you 2 times, you will be disqualified. Okay, today is the first day, all right? I'm not gonna disqualify you. I'm a good person. I think so, right, God? But don't do it again. I will delete the duplicates. One name, one email, one entry. Please don't do 2 times. Okay, it's the same email. Hola, Veronica. It's the same, sorry, the same link. Just do 1 time, please. Thank you. Keep going, my friend. I'm sorry.
So this would be a retail
Retail traders
traders
entry.
entry.
Okay.
Yeah, and the price have already like stopped out. Buyers have already stopped out from here. But what we have did, we were looking for a short. As you can see, we took this short entry from here, and the price is crashing, like it's going down aggressively,
Yeah.
aggressively. Was
Now
so
the retail trader, what
that's
is gonna do? He's gonna
yeah,
close the trade.
that's
He's
how
gonna panic.
institutions play with retailer traders. As simple as that.
Oh.
Like never believe what you see in the chart. This is what I think actually.
Never
If I
believe what you see in the chart.
yeah, like
Yeah,
if you
but
see
what
the
you see is
support,
real, no?
yeah,
It's real, no? Those are the prices, right?
those are the prices. Yeah, I believe that. But if you see the price is going to up from here, but we don't know.
Don't believe it.
Uh,
But
yeah,
now it's falling. Should I believe it or not?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, okay. It's so funny. You're so funny. There is one quote I like to say. It's a very old quote. It says, "Trade what you see, not what you think." This quote it's a bit you need to understand because also you need to think about what is happening, right? Like you said, but sometimes this quote is good because we think too much. Sometimes we think too much, and we start thinking this and that. It's gonna fall. It's gonna go up. It's gonna and then you lost focus. You lost the goal. Like A, B, C. Keep it simple like you are showing to me. I like that because it's very simple strategy, and I like that. But
Yeah.
this phrase is very old quote. Trade what
Yeah, it
you see, not what
depends.
you think.
Yeah, it depends. Actually, it depends on person to person perspective. Actually,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
yeah, you are also right. You are also correct.
It's a
But
different point of view. But like for
exactly,
example, if I see something, this quote, what it's saying is, if I see something, a signal, take it. Don't hesitate. Don't be no, maybe I don't know. No, 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 no. Look, there is a signal, no selling signal, whatever fails breakout. This is called an upthrust. There are thousands of different ways to call this upthrust, bull trap, swing failure, induction. Now the people they say it's induction, swing failure, liquidity sweep, blah 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 blah. It's the same thing. The price breaks the previous high, it breaks to the upside, but it's unable to continue on the direction of the break. Right?
yeah,
So it's a trap, whatever, induction, swing failure, bull trap, blah, blah, blah. So if you see that, don't hesitate too much. Just take the trade, right? If it's in your plan, of course, and always control the
exactly.
risk and all of that. So, for example, for Richard Wyckoff, this is Richard Wyckoff, man. He was doing this 100 years ago. He was already doing this. 100 years ago. He was born in 1873, men. 1873, brother. November 2, 1873, man. Come on. He died 1934, 1934, Sacramento, California. And his theory, man, is still used today. So, and it's the same thing, right? Richard Wyckoff theory. I show you guys? No. The cycles, right? Accumulation, markup, distribution, markdown. This is what he calls the springs, the upthrust, buying climax, the end of the trend. Well, things that are 100 years old. You know, it's like we don't need to reinvent the wheel. Why do you want to reinvent something that works? I want to show you these guys for the new people that are new to trading, to see the different phases of Richard Wyckoff. This is as old as the sun. This is very old, and it's the same thing. Springs, test with low volume, jump the creek, the structure changes, it breaks the structure to the outside. Market makes a new uptrend until buying climax. Then the distribution, it can take days, weeks, months. Test, break the ice. The same thing all the time, repeats all the time. This theory has 100 years old, so it's like we don't need to reinvent the wheel. So for me today, this webinar, I dedicate this webinar to my beloved Richard Wyckoff. I love you, man. You are the best. All right. Do you have any trade open, guys? Do you want me to analyze the market, or Ajusman, you want to analyze the market different than gold? Read the chat. Let me know if you want me to analyze other different instruments. Tell me an instrument, or maybe check the news, or what do you think? What do you think, guys? By the way, SpaceX. What do you think about the SpaceX, guys? It's going to the moon. It's going to hell. What is happening? This is a SpaceX 5-minute chart. This is 200 level. What do you think? What do you think about the SpaceX? Guys, I want to know. What is going on? Do you want to buy SpaceX? Do you want to sell SpaceX? It's a new company. It only has like 1 day. How many days? 1, 2, 3, 4. Today is the 5th day of existence of SpaceX. 5 days old. It's a baby. Very little baby. All right, Master Tito, Charlie, Hendrix, qué bueno volver a verte después de tanto tiempo. Un abrazo, Hendrix. Saludos, Carlos, me escriben el formulario. Ojalá tenga suerte. Buen live. Thank you very much. CRT es el Wyckoff mejorado. No sé yo qué decirte. I don't know about it, my friend. Candle Range Theory. No se puede mejorar algo que ya es perfecto. I don't know how to trade the news, Abubakar Abdul Rahman. But then don't trade the news. If you don't know how to trade the news, you know what? Don't trade the news, right? We try to be the smart guy of the class, you know, and in trading it's not about being the smartest guy, it's about being the most disciplined guy, consistent. Don't try to overcomplicate it. Keep it simple. Look, my charts are clean. Support and resistance. Look at the trend. Don't complicate it, man. Don't trade the news. If the news are hard, don't trade. Also, we have hard news. Give me 1 second. This week we have very important news. Interest rates of the dollar. That's very important news. Yesterday, it went out yesterday. Trump speaking in the meetings of the G7 in France. Today we have interest rate of the Swiss franc. Very important news. I don't trade this. Also we have interest rate of the pound. Very hard. Don't trade this. And you know, guys, tomorrow, what is happening tomorrow? Ayushman, check this out.
Bank holiday.
Bank
It's a bank
holiday.
holiday. Yeah.
What does mean? What that means?
Bank holiday, like there would be no news.
The
Like we can
banks are
trade.
closed.
Yeah.
What kind of liquidity or volatility we can we expect tomorrow?
Wait, let me just Thursday, Friday. It could be a so much manipulation
It's
tomorrow.
easier to manipulate because the banks are closed, so
Yeah.
it's less liquidity. So it's illiquid. It's um, less liquid.
I usually don't trade on Friday, Carlos,
But then
because
tomorrow is perfect. Then you don't need to trade tomorrow because it's holiday. So don't trade
yeah,
tomorrow. All right? Because also, I mean, you can trade London. You said you like to trade London, and I like that.
yeah.
So, Hugo, una vez
Let's see.
solo, ¿eh? No la líes.
Price is going down.
What is going down?
Price,
Gold.
gold. Yeah,
Gold.
like this
Don't.
is the break-even point. If I
Can you
if
share
I'm
your screen?
in
I'm
a
gonna remove my screen 1 sec. Okay,
yeah,
I see
sure,
your
sure.
screen now.
Okay. So this is the point where I would have break even my trade, so I don't have to face any loss. And this is the safest target which you can expect. But if you want to hold much more,
Maybe it
then you
breaks to
can
the downside.
expect, yeah, but you can expect till here. But there would be some rejection over here because there is a lot of liquidity. So price might jump up after this, uh, uh, after the
Test.
SL hit of the buyers, yeah. But the price is trying so much hard to break this level down. If it breaks, then price will come to a target like here itself. We just need to
Yeah,
wait.
yeah, yeah. It's a very good entry.
Yeah.
Now, for me, that is like it's a support. Right now, what will happen in the support? Either for me, three things can happen. It breaks, it bounces, it does a fails breakout. Three things, and the fourth, it can get
It
in range.
it can bounce for a short time, but it definitely have to come down because there is a lot of, as you can see, lot of liquidity is still pending. The price has to come here and take out the buyers whose holdings from here. So yeah, price will come down definitely, but it can take some time. We just need to have a patience for it. That's it. So like I can see the structure, like this is so much aggressive sales here. So price might break down anytime. Yeah. So let's see.
Let's see. I didn't take this trade. It's okay. I don't care about it. But it was a nice signals, to be honest. What?
I should have taken this trade, but I have already like I made a 7% today, so
Man,
I'm done
it's
for the
good.
day.
I'm gonna give you one of my favorite quotes.
What is it?
Exist only in the present moment. Only the present.
Yeah.
You can only act in the present moment, in the now moment. I cannot come back.
Such
I cannot go
such
to the
a
future.
such a thoughtful quote, Carlos.
Namaskar.
Yes.
Namaste. I can only stay, my only power is here in the now moment. So don't get crazy about the past. Don't get crazy about the future because there is nothing I can do about it. Live only the present moment.
Definitely.
Only the present, okay?
Uh,
All right, guys, let's analyze the Bitcoin. You like crypto? You said you want to analyze the Bitcoin, Ayusman, and then I will
yeah.
do.
You go first,
I go
then we.
first. All right,
Yeah,
all right.
yeah.
What kind of analysis do you want? In depth, medium, light?
See, no, extreme level. You,
Extreme level.
yeah, extreme level. I
Are
want
you
to see
sure?
your, Yeah, I want to see your extreme levels of skills. Like, how do you analyze so that
Oh my
I could also
goodness.
learn some things from you.
Oh my goodness. You want extreme level? All right. Get ready. First thing I do for analyzing extreme level is I remove everything. That's the first thing I do. Second
That's
thing I do
great.
for extreme level analysis, I go to monthly chart, minimum. And then I
Oh my
need to
God.
have as much data as possible because I want to see the forest. It's extreme, you said that. And then I analyze the market and I see what I'm looking at. I look at the patent and say, what is happening to you? You have injuries, your back is in pain, you're losing hair, are you unhappy? What's going on with your life? I look like it's a patient, that comes to my hospital. I need to help him. What is going on? And then I see and I start thinking, I mark the highest price ever. And then I mark the lowest price ever. So I start boxing it. Highest was 126K, crazy. All right, and then I see, okay, where are we now? 63K. I'm gonna do it a bit fast because if it's too much extreme, it's gonna take a lot, but 63K, okay. You
I'm
know what?
sweating already.
You need to do yourself a lot of questions, my friend. This is trading. Hola, Deborah. Extreme level, Kumar. Thank you, Alex. Thank you, guys. I will do the giveaway in a little bit. So then there is something I like. I'm gonna teach you something, guys. I call it the master Fibo level. Do you know Fibonacci, right? Fibonacci retracement, right? I love Fibonacci. So this is something I think I invented. It's my invention. I take Fibonacci and draw it from the low, all-time low, to the all-time high. So I want to make sure from zero, Bitcoin dollar started at $0 to 1.26. This is what I call master Fibo. Of all the history of the instrument, I draw a Fibo from the lowest low ever, to the all-time high. All right. And then I ask myself, where are we now? The questions need to be clear, so the answers are clear. Where are we now, right now? It's insane. We are exactly at the 50% of the life of all the history of this instrument. We are at the middle point, right? Half of this is this, no? Right? And then I'm gonna look for a speed, momentum. I'm gonna check the speed, the volatility is a bit of a bubble. I'm gonna give you another tip. This is normal price scale. For this kind of things, you can use logarithmic scale. I don't know if I put it correctly. Escala logarítmica. You know what it is?
No.
No. This is only used by doctors.
What does it mean?
Logarithmic scale, it means that, for example, here from 0 to 1000, you see, this is this is a bubble. Bubble 1, bubble 2, bubble 3, bubble 4. You don't see correctly because the scale for 0 to 10,000, 10,000 to 50K, from 15K to, so if you check it out, I change the scale, it normalizes this thing. Give me 1 second. You do right click on the price here, right click, you see? Regular percent index, logarithmic.
Logarithmic.
Oh, logarithmic scale. Ah. You see? And this is how Bitcoin looks on a logarithmic scale. Ah. Interesting.
Interesting.
Okay, interesting. So you see the prices, how they move now? 2, 4, 7, 12, 300, 1000. It normalizes the scale. So logarithmic scale. So in a logarithmic scale, it's pretty simple. Bitcoin is much more easier to analyze like this, right? It was a bubble, uptrend, and now look. If the price of Bitcoin, now I reach some understanding, if the price of Bitcoin break 59,930 to the downside and maintains, it's able to maintain the price below it, I only want to sell. Only sell. Buying is not an option. I'm on monthly chart, logarithmic scale, seeing the life of the patent. I don't know if you understand. I know I'm going faster. Answer the call, don't worry.
It's all right. Like,
This is spam, maybe it's spam.
my friend called. Like he's calling me for gym.
Tell him you are
It's
studying with Uncle Charlie. Scale, logarithmic scale. Oh. So, ¿esto no lo sabías, Suri? La escala logarítmica. Curioso, ¿eh? 59.930. Si el precio rompe a la baja la escala logarítmica de 59930, el soporte, I only want to go short. Only short because it's going to be a trend change. Did it happen? Yes or no? Did it break to the downside? Yes or no?
I don't think so.
I don't think so either.
I don't think so. Like if the price goes down, then I don't think so. Like people will stop believing in Bitcoin. You know.
Yeah, but let's do something also, you know, because you ask me for extreme analysis, so this is what you ask for, man. First impulse to the upside. Look at this. I'm gonna ask you questions, guys. I don't know everything. Yeah, I'm a human being like you. I want to reach some ideas, but with your help. All right. What do you notice, guys? What is the thing you notice here? Bitcoin on a logarithmic scale. Oh. What do you notice here? Can you tell me?
It's a slight curve.
What is happening here? What are the two things I look all the time? I look at two things most of the time. Two things. Time, right? And price. These are the two things I look all the time, right? How much price, how long it took to move X amount of price, right? When I analyze these two things, I will get the third thing, psychology, right? Guys in the room, what do you see here? You don't see it? What is happening is if you compare number 1 to number 2 to number 3 to number 4, each time, every time is being, the explosion is a bit, at the beginning was like, oh man, I love you. And then it's like, oh yeah, this is very good. And then it's like, well, okay, it's not bad. And then number 4 is like, like, okay. I don't know how to explain. But each of these bubbles, they are getting smaller and smaller and smaller. They don't move as much as at the beginning. The first one, of course, was the best. The second one was the best. But now it's taking, every time it's harder for the Bitcoin to continue moving higher. So, you ask me for an extreme analysis, I'm giving you the extreme analysis. But let's go normal to normal chart again. You can see how ugly it is when you see normal chart right now. For me, I'm bearish. I want to, if you ask me, I prefer to go short Bitcoin as long as the price is below this kind of levels. I'm gonna go to weekly, daily. For me, it's also 1, 2, and 3 for me is a number that repeats on the market all the time. This is daily chart. You can see also all the time what I'm looking for here on the Bitcoin dollar all the time, the daily time frame and the instrument. So for me, Bitcoin is on a downside, on a downtrend, and for me, I prefer to go short as long as the price is below this area I'm marking. 65, 70,000 is a resistance, 60k, 70k, 60, 70k. And then you just need to look for your entry, look for support and resistance, look for an entry. We can go to intraday, blah, 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 and then you look for that. And so that's my extreme analysis. I set up.
Damn.
Okay. It's your turn now. I want to see your analysis. Come on, show me the money.
Oh my god. Okay. Uh, I'm still looking for a sell because you can see like what I'm seeing nowadays. If the gold is going down, then ultimately Bitcoin is also going down.
They have high correlation, yes.
Yeah, high correlation between gold and Bitcoin. So if I'm already in this in short in gold, so I would also look for a short entry from here as well in Bitcoin. So I have removed all my things which I have made in this. I have to do it again. But somewhere what I believe, like if I see it in a very simplest way, I would have short from here. Like if the price comes somewhere around 64,000 here, then I would look for a short entry. Like I would just do this.
Verónica, mira esto más para intradía, for intraday. One guy, one girl is asking for Bitcoin in intraday. Lo que yo he enseñado es para el largo plazo. No significa que pueda rebotar a corto plazo, o sea, sí puede rebotar a corto plazo, ¿vale? Un abrazo, de nada. Keep going, keep going.
Yeah, so I would have like I will target the nearest liquidity. Like the Bitcoin is going to come and hit and take out this liquidity, which is currently 63,687. So
Okay.
I'll just take a short entry from upside, like Bitcoin will give me some pullback from here itself. I'll just I'll just see a good rejection candle from here somewhere around,
Okay.
and then I'll just sit and put my short entry. That's what I'm looking for currently. Not
So you are using also the gold analysis
yeah,
to understand that, no? To apply that.
exactly. See, like it never. Sometimes gold and bitcoins are not correlated with each other. Sometimes Bitcoin goes up, gold goes down. But nowadays, what I am seeing, what I'm noticing, gold is also going down, Bitcoin is also going down. Like it is correlated with each other. So somewhere, like if all the markets are in a bearish way, in a bearish, then I would go with the trend. Simple as that. Like there is no as such, you know, no as such tricky things which I can see.
I
So
understand, I understand.
yeah,
Keep it simple, no?
keep it simple. Keep it simple. That's it. See what I've done here. I just made a trend line, made a downside trend line. If the price come upside, I'll just take a short entry right away. Otherwise, I'll just take a stop loss. But I don't think so that price will go up because the trend is down.
All right.
So that's it. It's as simple as that. Like I don't see the charts in a in a hardest way.
Don't complicate, no?
Yeah, don't complicate things. That's it.
Life is already very complicated. Why you complicate it more?
Exactly. I'm I'm just focusing on the gold first.
Hmm. Guys, do you have any trade on the room? Do you have any trade open that you want we to analyze? That we or Ajusman or me, we can analyze? If you want to go to, if you need to go to the gym, Ajusman,
Yeah.
I want you to be healthy. For me, it's important.
Are you sure? Are you sure?
I am sure, man. You want to go to the gym? No worries. Seriously,
Okay.
I will handle it. You can go. You can come next week a little bit also. Okay, not
For
this week.
sure, for sure, Carlos.
I
Thank you
really
so
appreciated
much.
your time to be here with me. It
Yeah,
was a pleasure, man. Seriously, and good analysis. I like it. It's
same.
simple, relax, chill. Good. And good job today
Yes,
with the 7,000 profit on phase one. Eh? Good job.
exactly. Yeah.
Go to the gym now. Eh? Don't make me angry. Train.
Okay, okay, Carlos. Thank you so much for having me.
Thank you
And
for
yeah,
coming, guys.
I would
Big
love to
hug
come
to
once again.
yes.
Yeah,
Next week, all right?
yeah. Thank for sure. Thank you so much for having me, guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
Have a
Namaste.
good evening.
Jai Hind.
Namaste.
Yeah.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. All right, all right, all right. Now it's only you and me. You and me. All right. I was looking to this level, 7.5 thousand on S&P 500. Beautiful level. 7.5. I'm gonna do the giveaway in a second. I'm gonna call Alex. I'm young, very young. Wait, bubble, Charlie. Bubble of Bitcoin. Give me 1 second. I'm gonna call my friends. He's gonna help me with the giveaway. Okay, I'm back. So I was looking for this kind of entry here on the S&P 500, but to be honest, it's not very clear. Look at the Nasdaq. It's not very clear either. 3.2, 3,000. It's not good. SpaceX, ah, equity, Nasdaq. Let's check the gold right now. Gold, how is gold? I don't know. The markets today. One day I will meet you. The BMW gaming. You can, if you want, you will meet me, my friend. No worries about it. You can come to Orion offices in Dubai and meet us. Federico, ¿cómo estás? Un abrazo muy grande. Okay, guys, I'm gonna do the giveaway pretty soon. Verónica dice, I entered intraday at 64,275, stop loss on Bitcoin, 63,464. The thing with the Bitcoin, guys, I'm gonna show you something also today, okay, very important. Dollar index, my friends, dollar index. Nobody's talking about the dollar. ¿Cómo ves el Nasdaq y el S&P? Alex, I ordered already the guy to clean the duplicates for me because some of you put your name and your email 2 times. And also, by the way, there is one person, that Abhishek Chauhan, you didn't place your email, brother, for your laptop. If you win, you will need to send me an email. But you didn't place your email, brother. So, There is something, guys, that nobody is talking about. Nadie me está hablando de esto. Dollar index. You know what is the dollar index, guys? It's an index. Es un índice. Index. You know how it works? It's very important you know how it works, man. Hendrix, ¿estás haciendo live todos los días? Claro, criatura, ¿no lo ves? Solo tienes que entrar al canal y darle a la sección de lives y ver las fechas. Hijos míos, no es tan difícil. Angera Sergi, espero verte en Barcelona en breves. Me encantaría verte en Barcelona, amigo mío. Pero no estoy seguro de que vaya a estar allí, no te lo puedo prometer. Manda un email a Orion y diles, quiero a Carlos en Barcelona, que le quiero mucho, que venga aquí, por favor. Haz eso, hacer una recogida de firmas. Y si no, espero vernos pronto. Abubakar, my phone will off on, I will keep my account, I'm coming to collect my account. Abubakar, don't worry, put your phone in, connect it to the charger, and man, then later watch the video. If you are one of the winners of the 5K account, send me an email, all right, from the same direction. Contact me, I will provide you the account. Abubakar, good luck. All right. Good luck, my friend. I'm in a buy position with the stop loss at 15-minute low. What do you think? Suri, in which instrument? I don't know. ¿En qué instrumento? Suri, no sé en cuál, Rey. Guys, leave me some love, some likes. If you are having fun with this session and with my friends, they came to have a good time. Ajusman and Himansu. Okay. Exolunch. ¿Qué es eso, Débora? Exolunch. No lo veo. Vale. Entonces, what it means, the dollar index, guys, this is dollar as itself against the majority of the instruments of the currencies, of other currencies. What is happening? Can somebody tell me what is going on here on the dollar index? Leave me some love, please, some hearts. What is happening here? You send me the list, clear? Sorry. Wait. Seat one, okay. This is fresh. Vale. Okay, we have the names of the people.
Yes.
We have the
No
names.
duplicates.
These are the names with no duplicates. Clear as a Sunday morning.
Yes.
Thank you very much. I love you, man. Okay. I have the giveaway here ready, guys. Are you ready? ¿Qué pares opera con el dólar? Muy buena pregunta, Miguel. What pairs are paired with the dollar index? 60% euro, and then I think it's the pound, Japanese yen, and then the Nordics NOK. SEK, I think also maybe the cut. Let me check. Nordics, guys. This is how the index is generated. You can go to Wikipedia, man. Dollar index is not that hard, man. You have internet. If you are watching this video, means that you have internet, no? Dollar index, Wikipedia. So you understand how it works. I'm gonna do the giveaway, guys. Stay with me, please. Dollar index, Wikipedia. El Dixie, también se llama el Dixie. Euro dollar, 57% weight on the index. Sorry for screaming. 57% weight on the index. 13% weight Japanese yen, pound sterling 12%, Canadian dollar, SEK, Swedish krona, and the Swiss franc 3.6%. These all exchange rates altogether, they generate what is called the dollar index or the Dixie. So this way I can see the strength and weakness of the dollar. All right. Buenas tardes a todos. No tenéis que hacer nada, Cristian. Si te tocó, solo tienes que esperar y tener un poco de paciencia, ¿vale? Alex, your names will be removed, of course. Only one entry per person, okay? Please don't do that again or I will disqualify you. Angana Angasaputra. Will gold continue to go down or up, sir? You are not asking the correct question. I don't know if it's going to go up or it's going to go down. I don't know. you need to ask yourself, what is the trend? Is an uptrend? Is a downtrend? Is the trend, if the trend is to the downside, the high probability is to the downside. What I want to know, and I'm gonna do the giveaway right now, is that the gold, guys, the dollar index, dollar index is breaking a very important level. El índice del dólar está rompiendo a very important level to the upside. You can see that. So that's why I don't want to sell dollars, because dollar index is breaking a resistance level to the upside. You see that is breaking that level. It's very important. It's breaking it. Don't fight this. It's a breakout to the upside. So that's why I prefer to go short Bitcoin. That's why I prefer to go short pound dollar. That's why euro dollar I prefer shorts. That's why gold I prefer to go short, because the dollar is strong today. It's breaking to the upside, a very important level. Capici? Make sense? Capito? All right. Okay, so it's time for the 5 accounts giveaway. Good morning, Ivan. Hola, Christian. Ready? Are you ready, guys? Chan, 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 chan. All right, I'm gonna be giving out 5 accounts of 5K Two Faces accounts to my dear viewers. So get ready. Number 1 is gonna be for... Sorry, I'm crazy, guys. I'm a bit crazy. Forget about it. Forget me. Lucas Pereira. First account to Lucas Pereira. I'm gonna remove you from the wheel. Lucas, enhorabuena. Let's go. Number 2 is gonna go for... Uy, Raquel casi. Kevin Villamizar. Okay, 3 more to go. Are you ready? Let's go. 3, 2, 1. Go. Third account is gonna go to Marisol Laruni. Quedan 2 más, chicos. 2 more to go. All right, are you ready? 3, 2, 1. Come on, God, give me luck. Fourth account is gonna be to Raquel. Impresionante. Last one, guys. I'm sorry, but it's how it's gonna be. 3, 2, 1. Domingo Acosta. Okay, guys, okay, I'm gonna do 6, okay? One more, last one, because I'm a good person. 6 accounts. Domingo Acosta, number 5. Last one, because all the Spanish people or people from, there is no people from India or from Pakistan, or from, only Spanish. Domingo, Raquel, Marisol, Kevin, we need some guy from Verónica, no te has registrado, yo no veo que estés aquí. Si no te registraste, es que no vas a estar. Corazón. No veo tu registro, criatura. Mañana sorteo más, no os preocupéis, ¿vale? No, I said 5 accounts. 3. MC Music, si no te has registrado, amigo. Vale, voy a añadir 2, ¿vale? Porque soy buena persona. Voy a añadir Verónica y MC Music. Y le doy a tirar y listo. Mañana sorteo más. Chicos, lo que estoy haciendo es un 10% de la gente que hay. Si hay 50, 60 personas, sorteo 5 o 6 cuentas. Tienes un 10% de posibilidades de que te toque, ¿vale? No pasa nada. Listo. No pasa nada, no pasa nada. Last one. I add you, ¿vale? Os he añadido Verónica y MC Music. 3, 2, 1. Nawab, come on, Nawab, you can do it. Come on, come on, come on. No, Matías, no. Matías. Come on, guys. Okay, I'm gonna do the last one, please, because quiero que le toque a alguien de la India. No le ha tocado nada. Last one, last one, last one. 7, okay? 7 accounts. I'm gonna get fired, man. Last one, eh? 3, 2, 1. No way. Nawab. Okay, Nawab is the winner of the last account. Okay, okay. No pasa nada, chicos, no pasa nada. Que me cambio el nombre. Too late, guys, too late. Guys, 7 accounts, Nawab, Matías, Domingo, Raquel, Marisol, Kevin and Lucas Pereira. Guys, if you didn't go to your account, I'm really sorry. Don't worry about it. Tomorrow will be another day. And after tomorrow, tomorrow will be another day. Don't get crazy. It's just one giveaway, 5K account. Okay, don't get crazy. I will take this list now. I will send this to support with the emails. And if you have an account with Orion, with that... wait. Give me 1 second. Yeah, sorry, guys, sorry. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Sorry, absolutely, I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry about it. I'm sorry about it. Sorry. If it didn't get your account, guys, on the giveaway, don't worry, because tomorrow it's going to be more opportunities. On Monday it's going to be more opportunities. Mañana va a ser en español. Tomorrow the webinar will be in Spanish, and we will be having a special guest coming tomorrow. Also, guys, if you want to appear, si queréis aparecer conmigo, tenéis los bemoles y las agallas, y queréis un día, aunque no seáis famosos o no tengáis demasiada experiencia, y os gustaría salir un día aquí conmigo, con el Tito Charlie, solo tenéis que escribirme por Discord, por privado, y os invitaré algún día a aparecer en vivo y en directo. Acordaros de los códigos que hay de descuento: V3, 30%, Swing 2x1 y Drift, ¿vale? 10% y el sorteo para el Drift próximo que hagamos. Atentos. ¿Qué más? Yo no operaré mucho más hoy, no creo que haga nada más. El día está un poco así, como un poco tontorrón, no hay mucha cosa. Por la mañana, in the morning, it was more clear with the dollar being more strong. Now the markets are not really doing anything, so stay away from it. Actually, the Nasdaq even is actually a bit strong to the upside. There is un poco de fuerza del Nasdaq y de la USA stocks and indexes to the upside. Están un poquito fuertes los índices, and there is a possibility that the price may want to test the previous resistance area. All right, so Alex, I think I should start taking Spanish lessons on Duolingo. You should, my friend. It's beautiful, beautiful language. One of the most beautiful languages in the world. So, do it. Chicos y chicas, ladies and gentlemen, it has been a real pleasure to be here with you today. Thanks for being here with me. Tomorrow we will have another class, another webinar in Spanish. If you don't understand Spanish, just come and you can see the charts. Why? Because charts are son un lenguaje universal language, right? Everyone can understand a chart. So, thank you very much, everyone. Cada día es un link diferente, Hendrix. Todos los días hay que venir y registrarse. Correcto. Chicos y chicas, thank you very much. It was a pleasure to be here with you. Remember to follow Orion Funded at .es. Toby, thank you. You are the best also. I hope you have some fun. I hope you have some laughs, some funny, some jokes. Here I present to you. Also, I hope you learn a little bit. I hope you get better every day in trading here with us at Orion Funded TV. So, guys, have a lovely day. Remember to follow us on YouTube. Enjoy. Thank you, Toby, Edmond, Alex, Edwin, Hendrix, Harlan, Mono, Jadmeir, hello. I'm leaving Sank. I'm leaving Miguel. It was a pleasure, guys. See you tomorrow. Same place, same time. Thank you for your attention to this matter. Have a lovely day. ¿A qué hora haces los directos? Mañana de 3 de la tarde a 5 de la tarde en España. All right? Thank you, everyone. Big kisses. Huge hugs. Amazing hugs for you. Lovely hug for you, guys. See you tomorrow. All right? Be good. Don't fail. Don't make me sad. Stay strong. Stay positive. See you tomorrow. Goodbye. And follow our social media accounts. I forget to ask the guys for their social media, man. Por cierto, seguirnos en X, que también tenemos cuenta ya también. Si usáis Twitter and X, if you use X, you can follow us also for some follow-ups. Good luck, good trading. See you tomorrow.